Welcome back to Sigma Tech Talk, and today we're here with our beloved Kraken X60s again. However, today we will be talking about how to connect the motor fuse. The motor communicates using CAN, which stands for Control Area Network. To connect the power and CAN wires, first unscrew the tab at the back. Keep in mind, you need to use a star bit for this. Once the tab is removed, you can screw in the red and black. You can connect the CAN wires using the same star bit and the screws provided. Once you are done with that, reattach the tab and that's it. You could also use a power pole adapter if you want to connect the motor at awkward positions. The motor is connected to the PDH or PDP in this manner and is commonly used with a 40 amp fuse. This is because the optimum rating for the motor is 30 amps, with peak power being delivered at 40 amps. For more information on other products, please check out our other videos.